In this example, we're going to be dividing rational expressions. Let's find the simplified expression for f over g of x. We're going to use long division. So let's set up our problem. On the outside, we'll have x squared minus 9. On the inside, we'll have x to the fourth. Notice that there's no x cubed, so we'll need to input a filler of 0x cubed. Minus 3x squared. Again, since there's no x term, we'll need to put in a filler of 0x. Minus 54. Now we want to ask ourselves, what could I multiply x squared by to give me exactly x to the fourth? And that would be x squared. So we're going to multiply this x squared minus 9 by x squared. Since I'm using an x squared term, guess where I'm going to put it? Right above the x squared term here. X squared times x squared is x to the fourth. X squared times negative 9 is negative 9x squared. In division, we subtract this line. So we're going to subtract here, and if we're subtracting a negative, it's the same thing as adding. So what we have is 6x squared. And I'm going to go ahead and drop down both of these here. Now we need to ask ourselves, what do I need to multiply x squared by to give me exactly 6x squared? And the answer is a positive 6. 6 times x squared gives me 6x squared. 6 times negative 9 gives me negative 54. Subtract these two lines. I'm subtracting here. Subtracting a negative means I'm adding. And so these cancel and these cancel, leaving me with 0. So my answer is x squared plus 6.